What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Lando Success. Hope all is well. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to go through my rotation, what I got set up, what I'm going to talk about. If you guys have any questions, anything y'all want me to cover, just leave it in the comments and I will come back to it. Got to do some housekeeping. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe button to help out the channel a lot. Help push it out to a lot of people. So getting the party started right, we have to give a shout out to one of my favorite sponsors, which is Moomoo, that give everybody the chance to invest the right way and receive up to 15 free stocks. And you could get an extra share with Tesla or Expedia. More than $0 commissions, more trading opportunities to get your 15 free stocks. You click the link in my bio or after this video, I have it pinned to the top comments. You open an account, you put in $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $50 free cash reward. You put in 1,000, you get 15, 5,000, you get 15 plus 50 plus 1 free stock. Shout out to Moomoo. So we are actually going to start with Tectonic. This is one of the most requested videos, everybody, every day. Talk about Tectonic. You ain't talked about Tonic in a while. I talk about it if it's doing something, if it's popping, if it's doing something, if it's popping. And right now is definitely is going wild doing this thing. So in the last day, up 10%, while the whole crypto market is kind of unchanged right now. Look at that. Last week, up 30%, completely going wild. And the last month, up 14%. And you see the last year, you're still down 16%. Now, if you look at this, this is what I call a straight, pure roller coaster. You see right here, you up, then you go down, up, then you go down, up, then you go down, up, more roller coaster. Ooh, we go down, now we're going back up. I sold my Tectonic, I forgot when. I had over like $1,000 in it. I sold it and I think I put it in Matic and moved it around. Now, the thing about this is there's an opportunity. It's always an opportunity. The problem I don't like. So, for example, right? We all know Tonic is going to go down and it's going to go back up. It's going to go down. So we see this. The problem is I don't like swing trading with Tectonic because you look at this like, all right, let's look at, say I bought in right here. I bought in at the high back when I was right here. So it's like, okay, Orlando, you got to buy in at the low, the dip, the dip, the dip, the dip, the dip, dip. Boom. The problem is you don't know how high it's going to go and technically want to sell. So let's say you sold right here. So now you're waiting for next dip. You bought in on this dip right here. And look at the problem of you buying in on this dip right here. You buy in. Now it's like, all right, it's not high enough for me to sell. Go back down. Go down more. You buy more right here and go up. You buy more and you keep on buying. You keep on buying. And you're like, man, I don't know how much further this is going to go. So you stop buying. And now you come back up. And you still technically not even in the green. So unless you've been recently buying, and most people, you will buy into like this level. It's just crazy how it gets you. And you'll be like, man, this thing is going to probably go down to this level. So let me just wait a little bit longer. And a lot of people didn't make that much money because people haven't been actively buying. And you can look at the numbers to tell people haven't been actively buying. So you can't be lying saying, yeah, man, I've been buying it up. No, not recently, because the market cap and volume is finally just going up. Look at, because everything is popping right now. You see it's up 56%, up $272,000 in the last day. Remember, it's still not even at $1 million in the last day. So Tectonic is doing this thing. I have no idea why it's technically going up. They're not talking about anything important on their Twitter. And if we go and see what they got locked up, you see total borrow 68 million. Most of the money is always going to be in USDC or USDT. You got 36 million. You got 28 million and a few 100,000. But you really don't have too much else really popping. So shout out to the Tectonic holders. If you've been holding Tectonic, shout out to you. Let us know. Let me know in the comments. Did you give up on them? Are you still holding what you had back then? Let me know in the comments. Next thing I want to talk about is the GOAT. The GOAT is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett been holding it down for a lot of years, longer than I've been born, longer than probably you've been born, times like 2. And Warren Buffett, I seen this article, and they just reached, the Berkshire Hathaway just reached their all-time high. So think of that. They've been in the game for a while, and they started literally in 1996. 96, man. That's crazy. I was, 10, 11 around that time. And you see his stock has went from, with the adjustment, $20 all the way up to well over $360. And this is just beautiful seeing how consistent things been going. And they said in a market recap, the climb in shares with Berkshire Hathaway and other blue companies led higher on Monday, helping Wall Street bounce back from a stretch of losses. The Omaha, Nebraska company, which owned including Geico, so-and-so Railroad, ended the session record peak price after swinging to a second quarter profit. Berkshire Class B shares rose 3.6% to $362, making it their first time all-time high since March 2022. So it's been over a year since they reached all-time high, and it's back when the Federal Reserve began raising interest rates. If you assume Berkshire was a microcosm of the broadening economy, there's a bull case for broadening out the stock market rally away from tech stocks, said so and so. Now, first you want to look at, where do Warren Buffett have his money? And when you look at it, it's interesting. It's very interesting. Most of his money is in Apple. His holding is a zillion shares. His stake in a company, he's a 5% stakeholder, owner of Apple, right now at $178 a share. That is 44% of his portfolio. Never would expect that. If you told me to guess, I wouldn't have guessed that he was this heavy on Apple. Now, it's a smart investment. It makes sense because I'm recording this on a MacBook, looking at my iPhone. It's like majority of the world have Apple, so it's smart. Then he's always been heavy on Bank of America, 13% owner, 20% stake in American Express. That's crazy. 20%. He always loved Coca-Cola, 9%. You see gas company, 25%. Hanes, you go get some ketchup today. 26% of that revenue is going towards Warren Buffett. Like, this how rich I want to get. 39%, almost 50% of DaVita Inc. Like, Buddy is genius. When you look at his portfolio, it is all safe companies that will be here 20 years, 30 years, a zillion years down the line. No company he's investing in is unsafe, really. It's like companies that's always already proven, got good managers, got good people running a company. So Warren Buffett is very smart with it. Let me know if you guys own any Berkshire Hathaway. The price was too high a while ago. I probably own like percentage of one. I don't even think I own a full Berkshire Hathaway, but I own a lot of the stuff that's inside of it. So just a genius, man. My man is smart. I absolutely love it. So shout out to Warren Buffett. Drop exclusive bomb for the OG that is doing his thing. Now we can talk more about crypto a little bit more. Bitcoin Cash. We have a lot of Bitcoin Cash supporters on the channel that's been hoping and waiting for it to go back up. And today, over the last day, while things is kind of being in the red today, Bitcoin Cash is up 6%. So that is great, up to $236 and the last week down 2% because at 243, and you see it went all the way down to 220, and it is doing a small bounce back, but don't get too bullish on it because it still could go back down before the bull run. But it looked like it's probably going to keep on going up, man. That's looking good. It's for Bitcoin Cash to do what it have done in this last year. This is honestly beautiful right now. From 143 a year ago, right? The low was probably $100. Did we go under 100? We just gonna call the low $100. And for you to go all the way up to 300 and to consolidate down no lower than 200, I don't see it going no lower than 200. That is a win, man. That is a win. It's a, it's risky, but you should have some in your portfolio. I don't see anything wrong with it, with how many spike ups, and it's not if it's going to spike up, it's when it's going to spike up, and it's something good to hold on to. Let me know if you guys are buying any Bitcoin Cash. Are you guys supporting it? What's going on, Mrs. White? Hope all is well. Hope you've been doing good, investing, making some money, saving money, and all of that good stuff. Now, I seen this article. I wanted to read it live. It say, best crypto to buy now. August, XDC Network. Never heard of them or invested with them. Casper, never invested in them. And Algorand. Definitely own me some Algorand. PayPal, the global payment giant, continued its journey into the crypto space with the launch of its new stablecoin, PayPal USD. That's great. Shout out to PayPal. It took them a while to do it. They've been saying they're going to do something similar. It's a genius move, and that probably might made their stock go up. So, because everybody kind of used PayPal, but I like it. I like that move. Nope, it actually went down. This development marks a significant stride since PayPal initial foray into cryptocurrency industry in late 2020. Given that development, what are the best cryptos to buy now? Despite the significant news, Bitcoin prices may remain stagnant. Haven't been doing nothing since breaking that. Okay, so saying the price is not really popping. XDC Network RS drop suggesting weakening bullish sentiments. So I never looked at them, so we can take a look at XDC. Let's check them out. XDC Network. Now, they've been out since 2018. This chart looks very, very beautiful. Because usually, if it's like a rug or something, it start off soon as it open up all the way up here, go down, and it just flatline all the way down. For it to start sideways and just getting its foot in, you see a few hundred thousands, million volume, 10 million, and then you got all the way up, over probably 20 million at a time. But this is good because with the volume being low, under 20 million consistently, this is still a good opportunity coin because you had a lot of opportunity for growth. You bought in right here, you're already up, and you made money since 2021. You look right here, since it went down, and all of this year you bought in, you would have made money. Middle of last year, you would have made money. So not bad. 15% in the last week, 116% in the last month. So whatever they're doing, they are looking good. Let's see what they got popping with the website. If I can, I just got to hover over it. There we go. All right. Success depends on, what's this? Depends on your network. Okay. That got very earthy, point at the wall deal. Let's see. Network, enterprise grade, open. All right. Industry. Explore what is blockchain enterprise. Not sure what they do. I don't know if it's like a Hedera type of deal, but I'll look into that right now, just by glancing at it, it looks like a good company to invest in, to be honest. So I can't even hold you up. That's whoever wrote this article. Y'all was on to something on that one, right? Wall Street meme token, the community-driven meme coin. That's one of the best cryptos to buy right now. So what meme coin is the best for all my meme people out here? Eager to capitalize on the hype surrounding meme coins, the Wall Street Meme Project opened the pre-sale of its native token WSM. So it's a Wall Street meme on May 26th. In just over 2 months, the pre-sale has raised more than $22 million as investors eagerly seek to invest in early before. Yeah, you guys can wait. Don't invest in at the beginning. Just please don't do it. As a part of the distribution plan, 50% of tokens are reserved for pre-sales. Okay, they got that. But what is WSM? So it's just Wall Street meme. WSM. Yeah, they don't. It's not out yet. So I will have to look more into that. But don't do that. Don't invest into that early. Wait till it come out. Caspa, I believe that's how you say it. KAS. A bullish trend that keeps giving. Ooh, that looks very good. KAS. Check them out. And they are newer. They've been out since 2022. So they've been out literally about a year. And since they came out, they've been winning. So in the last year, you're up a zillion %. Last day, down 4%. Last week, up 23%. The last month, up 100%. So if you are looking to buy this, it's a good time to buy right now while it's down 4%, while it's keep on going down. So keep getting it in on a red day. So whoever is doing this article, they actually know what they're talking about because they actually showing some good projects just off of charting. Caspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 built on that. Explore. Okay. So shout out to them and what they're doing. Whatever ones you get, dog. XRP20 is bringing fresh utility to XRP space. One of the best cryptos to buy right now. Investors are showing increasingly interest in staking cryptocurrency. XRP20, XRP falling price, staking, okay, to get better income. XRP20 is steadily gaining traction as a potential replacement for XRP among investors seeking higher yields. Having already raised over $1 million so far in this pre-sales. So this is another pre-sale. It's XRP, but it's going to be a staking type of deal. Ripple Labs. So XRP is not associated, so it's not even associated with them, but appear to be targeted towards. I wouldn't mess with that, so stay away from that. Algorand, potential upside, momentum. Algo, I still own me some Algo, baby. How you doing? How you doing, Mr. Algo? So we are at 1% in the last day, 4% in the last week. Even just about, but a little bit in the red in the last month. And last year down big time. So if you look at this looked brutal. Looked brutal. Came down, went up. Okay. If it was to go back up, if you believe in the project, which I do, this is a great buying in on a dip deal. Because, and a lot of people believe in a project. Because look, the volume is over $50 million in the last day. People, 48 million. People are still trading Algorand. And that's not going to stop. So it looks like a good buying opportunity to me. I probably tell the Patreon members, get us some Algorand while it's hot. So I like that. Is that all of them? Yep, that's all of them. So those are some good cryptocurrencies that they recommended to buy. I believe they are some good ones. If y'all got any questions, let a player know now so I can keep on editing videos, keep on cooking up this work. Stock market went up about 400% today. It is looking good. We went down for a few days consistently for a hot second, but now it's starting to get back on track. They had to sell off. People had to calm things down because too much money going. But the stock market is going to keep on going up. You see what Warren Buffett is doing. See what the rest of the market is doing. It's going up and making money. If you guys want to become a Success Team member, you can join the Patreon. That will be in the bio. Besides that, just hit the like button, hit subscribe button. Keep supporting the channel. And if y'all got some questions, leave it in the comments and I'll see you later. And I'm gone.